If you're looking to get the absolute most out of ClickUp and finally transform your workspace from cluttered and overwhelming to streamlined and productive, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to optimize your ClickUp workspace so that you and your team can work smarter, not harder. Let's dive in and discover how to make ClickUp a powerful engine for your daily workflow. First up, it's important to clarify the purpose of your workspace. Before organizing any tools or tasks, pause and ask yourself, what is this workspace really for? Is it managing client projects, tracking marketing campaigns, supporting your development team, or something else? Having a crystal clear intention makes every other decision easier. Imagine being a chef. Knowing you're running a bakery, not a steakhouse, guides every ingredient and tool you choose. Discuss this purpose with your team to align everyone right from the start. Once your purpose is defined, simplify your hierarchy. ClickUp allows you to create spaces, folders, lists, and tasks, but it's easy to get lost in a maze of nesting. Resist the urge to overcomplicate. Instead, keep your structure as flat and intuitive as possible. For example, if you're managing an agency, you might set up one space for each department, then folders by client and lists for projects. A clear hierarchy means less confusion and faster navigation, essential for focusing on the work itself, not on finding things. With a tidy hierarchy, move on to cleaning up and standardizing your statuses. Statuses like in progress, review, and complete should be meaningful, not an endless parade of custom labels. Standard statuses help everyone know exactly what's happening, without guessing if waiting on QA is the same as testing. Don't worry if you need to merge or even remove a few old statuses. Simplifying here increases clarity for every user. For consistency across projects, make good use of ClickUp templates. Templates save you from reinventing the wheel every time you launch a new campaign or onboard a client. Take a little time to set up template lists, tasks, or even custom fields tailored to your work. When you apply these, you'll enjoy standard procedures and documentation every time, and new team members can get up to speed so much faster. Next, automate routine work. ClickUp's automation features are like your personal assistant. Set triggers for recurring tasks, reminders, or status changes. For instance, automatically assign overdue tasks to a supervisor or send notifications when a project reaches a certain stage. Automations cut out tedious manual steps, freeing you to focus on creative or strategic work. Setting these up might feel technical at first, but even a simple automation can save hours over the course of a month. Now let's talk about organizing custom fields for reporting. Custom fields let you track key data unique to your workflow, whether it's budget numbers, client feedback, or launch dates. But as you add more, things can get overwhelming. Group your custom fields logically and label them clearly so everyone can easily pull useful reports. Think of your workspace like a well-organized library. When everything's in its right place, finding what you need is effortless. Building role-based views and dashboards is the next game changer. Not everyone needs to see every detail. Create dashboards and views tailored to roles. Managers see roadmaps. Creatives get task lists. Finance can focus on budget reports. Customize dashboards so that everyone sees information relevant to their job, making updates and progress tracking much more efficient. Streamlining communication in ClickUp is also vital. Utilize comments, tag teammates, and set up notifications so conversations stay within context. This reduces chaotic back-and-forth emails and ensures decisions are documented right where the work happens. Remind your team it's okay to over-communicate in task comments, especially during transitions or launches. Pause regularly to review workload and team capacity. ClickUp gives you tools to visualize who's overloaded and who has bandwidth. Set up routine check-ins, maybe weekly or bi-weekly, to adjust assignments and balance workloads. These reviews prevent burnout and keep projects moving smoothly. Finally, commit to auditing, archiving, and improving every month. Don't let outdated tasks, lists, or custom fields clutter your workspace. Schedule a monthly cleanup session. Archive completed projects, clean old data, and tweak workflows based on real feedback. This keeps your workspace fresh and ensures ClickUp adapts as your business evolves. Optimizing your workspace in ClickUp isn't just about organization, it's about making daily work easier for everyone. If you found these tips helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to share your own ClickUp hacks, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this so your workflows keep getting better every week. Thanks for watching.